Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Buffalo WEX-300HPTX/N Wi-Fi repeater. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Buffalo WEX-300HPTX/N Wi-Fi repeater is a 2.4 GHz wireless range extender that boosts your existing Wi-Fi signal to cover weak signal areas in your home. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First, plug the Buffalo WEX-300HPTX/N repeater into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds. The power LED will turn solid, indicating the repeater is ready for setup. Tip: during setup, keep the repeater within 2 to 3 meters of the router. On the repeater, find the WPS button. The WPS button is usually labeled WPS or marked with a 2-arrow circular icon. Press the WPS button on the repeater once. Hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds, then release. The wireless/WPS LED will start blinking. This means the repeater has entered WPS pairing mode and is searching for a router. Note: you now have about 2 minutes to complete the next step. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. The router will start sending connection information. The repeater will automatically receive Wi-Fi network name, SSID, Wi-Fi password, or security settings. No manual configuration is required. The repeater will now connect to your router automatically. This process usually takes 30 to 90 seconds. During this time, the WPS LED will blink while connecting. Once connected, the LED will turn solid. A solid light means the repeater has successfully copied the router's Wi-Fi settings. After the connection is successful, unplug the repeater. Move it to a location between the router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Your devices can now connect to the extended network. Depending on the settings, the repeater may create a network like your Wi-Fi name _EXT. Or it may keep the same Wi-Fi name as the router. After completing these steps, the Buffalo WEX-300HPTX/N will extend your Wi-Fi signal and improve coverage throughout your home or office. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.